Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I'm Chelsea. You know that? Do I know that? Maybe. All right, enough with the intro. Let's go ahead and get into it. Today we have quite a lot of just weird, what are they doing?
Get on with it. Yes, get on with it.
Oh, I am enjoying this scene.
Get on with it.
So like, follow, subscribe, comment, all those things. Follow and subscribe mean the same thing, Chelsea. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Now, a lot of y'all told me that at the GoPro Virtual Network Marketing Summit of 2021, so prestigious, that Eric Worre, who we'll get into him in a second, that he had 4 of his top people in the network marketing industry. He had them role play as network marketing haters. Do I really need to say it? Do I really need to say it? I guess I do. If you have to buy in to a business opportunity, one, you're not your own boss. You are the customer. For a legitimate business opportunity, one, you don't have to pay. Why would you have to pay to work for someone? They should pay you. Also, yes, pants are BS. You already knew that though. You're smart. And then he overcame their objections. Now, at the beginning of this little bit, and I quote, that he's been trying to debate network marketing industry haters for 10 years. And he says that he's reached out to all of them and no one will answer him. So he has to have these people role play. Well, I have not received a tweet, a text, a carrier pigeon, a call, a smoke signal, an email. I have received nothing from Eric Worre or anyone associated with him.
No one likes you! No one likes you! No one likes.
So I decided I'm going to take it upon myself to essentially debate him and all of his beautiful rebuttals that he has to all of these MLM hater objections.
English literature, U.S. presidents, My Wife the Tramp, Burning Dog Poo and the Human Response.
Hi y'all. So yes, I'm still in my huggle and it is the best thing in the world, but I wanted to give you an update or just let you know that I did reach out to Dominick Izzo. So if you don't know who he is a multi-level marketing person, basically. I know that doesn't narrow it down, but he does have 2 YouTube channels from what I have seen. He might have more, but one that is focused on multi-level marketing, doesn't really have or is not follower shaming, just giving you a rundown here. And then the other one has a pretty large following, above, I think it's over 200,000 or something like that subscribers, which is wonderful. That's great. He doesn't really focus on marketing over there from what I could see. However, he did have a few interactions with some other creators who do this type of commentary, and one of them in particular being Jessica Hickson, and there were some crazy things said which I do not agree with.
Nobody wants to do that, but here you have your kids marching around in their It Works t-shirts, handing people business cards. First of all, child labor, hello. But also just the fact that you're exploiting your poor kids to make a buck is just gross.
I want to Nintendo Switch for my birthday, so I costume bought him money, so I'm going to help Mom.
Obviously love Jessica, and so I reached out to him and was like, hey, would you be interested in coming on to my channel and, doing an interview with you and all that? And he said absolutely. But here's the thing, his one stipulation was doing it in a live stream or a unedited, and I wouldn't want to do that. And it's not because make him look bad, no, why would I do that? I wouldn't do that. I mean, I would even send him the unedited version of it, but I need to be able to take out the dead air. I need to be able to protect my platform and my people, my audience, and ensure that I'm able to censor certain things if someone is going to say offensive things.
Blowjob! 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 I don't think it's fair.
I'll tell you what's fair, what's not.
Or certain types of language, and I need to be able to protect that because, as y'all know, I've been trying really hard to, especially on my YouTube channel, like censor profanity, like really not use it, and I have my editor like censor everything out. So yeah, and also live stream. So live streams just like don't perform as well. One thing I do think is interesting is, first and foremost, he was like professional and like wasn't rude to me or anything in DM, so I told him I appreciated that. But then I got a DM from who in their bio it says that they are the producer of his show, of his podcast, and they DM me and they were like, you backed out of the debate. And I'm like, first of all, it's not a debate, it was going to be an interview. I don't have any interest in doing a debate on my channel, like no. So I decided I'm going to take it upon myself to essentially debate him and all of his beautiful rebuttals that he has to all of these MLM hater objections. I have, no, we can have a conversation. That's what we can do. And then she was like, you backed out. What a bitch move. Like, what? No, it's just really not frustrating. It's so silly that some people can't understand that, like, this is my business. This is.
Don't ask me about my business, Kate.
Is it true?
Don't ask me about my business.
No.
Platform. I'm gonna do everything I can to protect it, and like that. Just unless I'm all about, you know, a petty moment and, you know, poking the bear, but there just there's a line between like that and then just like wasting your time.
The Pentagon sees to it that I know more than you.
Well, ma'am, it doesn't seem so in this case now, does it?
And let's be honest, like an interview with him probably would not get views on my channel. No offense to him, but I just don't think that's really anything that my audience would really like love. So,
You know, you ain't never had any luck, but I think this time Lady Luck may be in your corner.
I don't know. I wanted to give him, I mean, at least the chance, but that didn't work out, and that's fine. That's okay. Happens all the time. So yeah, doesn't mean I backed out or made it, you know, a bitch move or I was scared. It just means that I know my audience and I respect my business, and I'm going to put my business before just arguing with.
See, I never just did things just to do them. Come on, I mean, what am I going to do? Just all of a sudden just jump up and grind my feet on somebody's couch like it's you know, something to do? Come on, I got a little more sense than that. Yeah, I remember grinding my feet on Eddie's couch, you know. I never just did things just to do them. Come on, I mean, what am I going to do? Just all of a sudden just jump up and grind my feet on somebody's couch like it's you know, something to do? Come on, I got a little more sense than that. Yeah, I remember grinding my feet on Eddie's couch.